We'll continue looking at the various descriptive statistics measures that will help us to identify if our age variable follows the normal probability distribution or not. Using the same command, analyze descriptive statistics and explore, we got this output where we already checked on the histograms. This histogram right here shows that the distribution of the age is negatively skewed. As if you look at how I move the mouse, it will show you the shape. So this is peaked here and then it falls down abruptly, which is a clear indication that the shape of this distribution is a negatively skewed distribution, and that's what is confirmed by the coefficient of skewness up here, as well as from the relationship of median and mean. So mean, median, coefficient of skewness, and the histogram, all these three measures indicates that the distribution of our variable age is negatively skewed. And having a distribution negatively skewed means that we have the people with approximately age around 60 and just above 70 are at the highest, whereas they are relatively lesser number with the younger ages. The other way to look at the shape of the distribution is stem and leaf plot. And stem and leaf plot also shows that over here there is a longer tail and the peak goes here and then it falls down. So this also shows a negatively skewed distribution. The other measure is quantile plot, and as we discussed earlier, we can clearly see that the dots are not following exactly on this line and they are not making a straight line. Hence, this shows that there is some departure from the normality of the distribution. And having the presence of these values out here, it shows that there are some values which are farther away from the actual punch of the data, and it indicates that there is some heavy tail being formed for our variable age. So these are various descriptive statistics measures that we often use to determine that if our distribution if our variable follows the normal probability distribution, as well as one need to know it very clearly that all the descriptive measures, whether it is mean, median, it is skewness kurtosis, it is histogram, it is stem and leaf plot, or it is normal QQ plot. All these measures gave us fairly good hint at determining that if the age variable in this population follows the normal probability distribution or not. At least right now, looking at this output, we can say that in our given sample, our variable age does not follow the normal probability distribution because we have a strong evidence so far. But the question comes, is the age is following the normal probability distribution for the population? We can't really tell it using all these descriptive measures, because for the sample, descriptive measures are true. But for the population, we have to look at the inferential statistics measures. Thank you.